Good morning all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, February 12th. We are looking at the SPY ETFs market profile here on Window Trader. We're going to try to keep this one nice and short because basically nothing has really changed from the overnight to pre-market. We're trading in balance, in value, in all of the indices. Here's the Russell. So let's quickly go over it, and then tonight we'll do the recap of all the charts of all these and what transpired today. So the Russell is in a 4-day balance. The more important thing is 2 trend days that have held, Wednesday and Thursday. So again, balance rules, trend day rules. Treat these as 2 separate days still. So if you cannot get above M's high to fill the single prints from yesterday, you're in the bottom end of the distribution, and then there's a good chance of testing the bottom of the balance. And then that's when balance rules come into play. You could buy the bottom of the balance, it gets below there, and get acceptance. I'm out, and I'd look for a short play to fill the gap. Triple Qs, inside day. So inside day rules and balance rules will apply to the triple Qs. You come out of an inside day, you go with it, monitor it for continuation or lack of, which is just as important. And that's going to be the same with SPY and ES. Inside day, balance rules. Here's the top of the balance. Now again, you could use either this is the bottom of your balance or this. It's all subjective. But the bottom line is this: if you come out of the inside day to the upside, we should get an all-time high, and we see what we get out of it. If you come out to the downside, I would also go with it, see how it reacts to Wednesday's low. If it holds Wednesday's low, you exit the short trade. If you get below it, then the odds of trading the rest of the fifths range, the POC, and then at least testing the low in that small gap get very good. Balance rules, inside day rules. Destinations for today. You should have these pretty simple. Yesterday's high, first we have our overnight high of 390.98, and then 391.69 yesterday's high, and you should have the all-time high written down. For the downside, right now, we have my pre-market low of 389.30. Then we have the afternoon pullback. Remember I said J was important to me the way F was the prior day of 388.79. Yesterday's low of 388.10, 387.50 daily low, and you should have the other ones also below that. So again, to give you a game plan, there's no trade for me right in here. Imbalance, in value. Too early play since it's an inside day. If it trades up, can take out E&M's high or take a short against that. Any acceptance above those, I'm out, because then you're going to probably test yesterday's high. On the flip side, if it pushes down, you want to take a long against J's low, you can do that, although value would be overlapping to lower probably by that point. If you get accepted below J's low, or certainly below yesterday's low, because then that's an inside day down, I'm out of the trade. Those are 2 early plays inside. If we take out the day's low, I'm looking for a short. We take out the day's high, I'm looking for a long. And then on the charts, I can't paint the picture any clearer than I just gave it to you right now. Just the weekly and the daily. So the weekly is one time framing up for 2 days. You'd like to close above 388.47, which is last week's high, one time framing up. And the daily, it is either a 4 or 5 day balance with an inside day. Good luck trading today. Have a great day. We'll recap the day and the week and all the charts at 4 p.m.